G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm making a very special lunch. It's a ham, cheese and tomato toasted potato sandwich. What you talking about, Willis? Well, you just wait and see how easy this meal is to make, and it tastes great. Let me show you the ingredients I'm using. Well, for this, of course, you're going to need some ham, cheese, tomato. I've got some onion as well. I've got a nice decent sized potato. I usually use hot English mustard on this because I love it, but use whatever sauce you want, or you don't even have to use it. I've just got some garnish here with some sour cream to add on top, and what's left of some butter. And I'll be making this using my trusty old sandwich press. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, well first you need to grab yourself a microwave safe plate, and like I said, a potato, you want it sort of as evenly round as possible and symmetrically appealing. Now I'll just put that on the plate, and this is going in the microwave, so I like to always add a little bit of water when I'm microwaving my potato. Just helps it steam better. Well, that's what I tell myself. And now this just goes into the microwave. Put a lid on top to help it steam better as well. And I'll cook that for about 5 minutes on one side. Alright, well that 5 minutes is up, and well, it's still got the cool setting. God, it's got to be the most annoying thing ever, that cool setting. So now, what you need to do is just turn it over. Put the lid back on. Ooh, it's still going. Yeah. And I'll cook it for another, 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so now this potato should be cooked all the way through. Now it will be very hot, so be very careful. And what you want to do now is cut it down the center as you can get it. We'll cut it in half. Now the more center the cut is, the evener this sandwich will be. Now I just like to add a little bit of butter on here because, well, butter just adds so much flavor, doesn't it? And butter and potatoes especially goes together nicely. Now I have been heating up my sandwich press. The green light's on, but I'll just see if it's hot enough to... Oh, yes it is. So now I just want to give this a bit of a spray, top and bottom. That was just with some cooking oil because I just want the potato to fry. So now I'll put it skin side down, and also you want the skin on it because it really holds it together and can get nice and crispy too. So I'll just put that on the oil bits, and now I just want to press it down. Push it down nice and hard, and that flattens it out like that. And when you push it down, it flattens it out and makes it more bread size. So I'll just put that back down and just let it cook for a little while so it crispies up a little bit. Alright, so after a minute or two, oh look at that, it's getting a nice crispiness about it. Now it's just time to add the fillings onto it. Now you don't have to add mustard. You can add tomato sauce or barbecue sauce or whatever you want. Maybe even nothing. But I just like to add a little bit of flavour there. And this is all going on one side. Now I'll add the cheese. Bit of onion. Tomato. I'll put some pepper and salt on that tomato. Now I'll add the ham, and Now this was the skin side down that I put. I just need to grab that, flip it over, put that on top there, move it into the middle. And now I just push this down. You might need to flatten it out. Give it a push down. Not too hard, but not too soft. And we just need to now cook that until the cheese is all melted. Now, it probably won't take too long for that cheese to melt because those potatoes are super hot. Alright, so here we go. That looks pretty good. So now, just stick it on my plate. I'll finish it off with a dob of sour cream. And a sprinkle of chives to make it look pretty. And there we have it, the delicious ham, cheese, tomato and onion toasted potato sandwich. Now you will need to cut this with a knife and fork because the skin on the potato can be very hard to cut through. Sometimes, depends how long you cooked it for, it can get nice and crispy. So you want to cut it into little sections. And you want to let it cool down a bit too, because it'll be super hot. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Come at me. That tastes so good! I'm really loving the combination of all those flavours. The taste of that mustard, the crunch of those onions, the ham and tomato, ooh, and the sour cream on top really takes it to the next level. It's so tasty and so simple to make. Well, I hope this video helps you with some cooking ideas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then. Yeah. Ooh yeah, this is Greg's kitchen where the food is finger licking. Ooh yeah. I just want to thank everyone for your continued support over the years. It means a lot to me and is always much appreciated. Thanks very much.